Our college has started the forum eConnect for MOOC and e-content development for dissemination of information related to the courses by providing supportive infrastructure and motivating the students and teachers in the campus. Hello everyone. I am Dr. U. Sri Swatika, the coordinator of eConnect Forum Shift 2 and assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science. I am very happy to welcome all the future scientists, technologists and the artists of Dharmamurthy Rao Bahadur Kalavala Kannan Chitti's Hindu College. Welcome you all guys. In our college, we have lot of extracurricular activities like NSS, NCC, Rotaract, ORC, etc. Apart from that, we have an excellent academic center, eConnect Forum, in which you can learn something new about courses, technologies in free of cost. கற்றது கைமண் அளவு கல்லாதது உலக அளவு. Nowadays, more emphasis has been given to Atmanirbhar economy. So, we need to be self-reliant in education also. In Tamil, it's called Tacharbu Kalvi. Our college has started the eConnect Forum for massive open online courses. Kalvikku Karaillai. Education is indefinite. There is no age bar to learn anything. We provide supportive infrastructure in motivating the students and staffs in the college campus. We conducted workshops for students and teachers also. In the last academic year, 921 candidates were enrolled for various courses like linear algebra, Java, programming in Python, networking, and ancient history of India. Then lot of courses they registered. And then they registered for online examination also through Swayam portal. Out of that, totally 108 candidates got modified pass certificate from the Ministry of Human Resource Development. Swayam platform is the world's largest free e-learning platform. Anyone can join. You can also join in this eConnect forum and you can learn anything in the free of cost. This will enhance your employability skills and better living. Use this path for your betterment of future life. All the best guys. Thank you. Vanakkam. Swayam is a program initiated by Government of India and designed to achieve the three cardinal principles of education policy with access, equity and quality. Swayam meaning self is a Hindi acronym that stands for Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. Is an Indian massive open online course platform. Here, free online courses are available for anyone to enroll. It provides an affordable and flexible way to learn new skills, advance your career, and deliver quality educational experiences at scale. So, I am showing diverse courses such as arts, science, commerce, social sciences, humanities, engineering, technology, law, medicine, and agriculture from ninth class to post graduation. These courses are offered by best teachers of India that empowering you with knowledge and skills. Any person from the world can register the course through Swayam portal. The courses hosted on Swayam are in four quadrants: video lecture, second one, specially prepared reading material that can be downloaded and printed, self-assessment test through test and quizzes, an online discussion forum for clearing the doubts. Steps have been taken to enrich the learning experience by using audio, video, and multimedia and state of the art of pedagogy. In order to ensure best quality content are produced and delivered, 9 national coordinators have been appointed. AICTE for self-paced and international courses, NPTEL for engineering students, UGC for non-technical postgraduate education, CEC Consortium for Educational Communication for undergraduate education, NCERT National Council of Educational Research and Training for School Education, National Institute of Open Schooling for School Education, IIMB Indian Institute of Management Bangalore for School Education, IGNOU Indira Gandhi National Open University for Out of School Education, NITTR for Teacher Training Program. The courses delivered through SWAYAM are available free of cost to the learners. However, learners wanting a SWAYAM certificate should register for the final proctored exams that come at a fee and attend in person at designated centers on specified dates. The current SWAYAM platform is developed by Ministry of Human Resource Development MHRD and NPTEL, IIT Madras with the help of Google Incorporation and Persistent Systems Limited.
I enrolled for embedded systems.
Introduction to data analytics and machine learning.
Introduction to modern application development.
Project planning and control.
Introduction to programming in सीखा था.
I did the health research fundamentals.
Introduction to airplane performance.
This is my 11th exam.
FAB सर्टिफिकेट कर चुका हूँ मैं.
I'm an associate professor in chemistry at Pachayappas College, Chennai.
Research scholar.
I'm a scientist in DRDO.
Employed in TVS Group.
I'm a pediatrician.
I'm working in Chennai Port.
17 years old now. Completed my 12th.
Working at Yamaha Motors R&D.
I'm working in the Adyar Cancer Institute in Chennai.
I feel much happy to attend this exam.
Learning experience is excellent.
Whatever the questions posted in the forum, it's immediately being answered. That is an amazing work what they are doing it really.
With respect to NPTEL, the quality of lectures and delivery, the contents to the students, no doubt, unquestionable. And it's too good. The examination today I really enjoyed.
I've been traveling more than 2 hours daily. I just hearing that entire video conversation throughout my journey, like not sitting in home.
I was working in a different domain totally, like mainframes. So the course which I took was Introduction to Modern Application Development. So this course was very helpful because I've learned new technologies.
The course content was very extraordinary, to be precise. Even if you compare to other websites, they don't offer certification like MIT or any Carnegie Mellon open courseware. But this is a very good initiative by the IITs and IIScs, which can improve the standard of education.
I was expecting to get gold medal by IIT, but I don't know it will be there or not.
It's a nice opportunity for people outside of IITs to be able to take an exam that is conducted by IIT. So the standards are pretty good, obviously.
I have learned more in these 3 months than taking some papers in the college.
Even at the age of 50 plus, we are getting some enthusiasm to go through all these lectures and all those things.
Another person from my college has taken it in another center, and both of us feel that the teaching was absolutely brilliant throughout the course. And it's not only theory, even practice is there. They actually showed us through the flight lab, and they actually had very, very practical examples.
For youngster, definitely it is useful. But this type of courses, if you find in other places, it is very, very costly. But here it is, for learning purpose, it is cheap. For obtaining a certificate, it is only a nominal fees. I appreciate the initiative of MHRD and the strenuous efforts taken by the IIT groups for providing the latest and technically sound education on online mode.
This is the first time I felt that some course for working professionals, and it is well organized as such.
Nowadays, doctors are expected to do a lot of research also, apart from seeing patients. So this course helped me to learn a lot.
It was a nice experience. It's wonderful in sitting along with the students and solving the problems. Makes us to be more concentrated with the course, to have a better deliverability of the content, to the recent trends are in par with the reputed institutions.
This course is really like, bringing a bridge across what we are doing now and what we are going to do in the future.
This program will be the harbinger of a big intervention in India in the area of online education, so that we can address the grand challenge of providing high quality and useful education to a very, very large number, probably the largest number of youngsters in the world. Thank you.